This is the ACMAS301 AC recycling station designed by DaTo. This machine is designed to work completely with R134A refrigerant gases. The machine is highly advanced and well optimized to work with the flushing function as well. The machine comes with a very durable glass. The machine comes with large gauges of display for both the high pressure and low pressure. And you can also see the liquid gases transferring in this through the glass channel that is provided. The machine comes with an inbuilt printer, that's a thermal printer, so the customer can get all the details about the printer. The most advantageous function of this machine is that it can handle the flushing functions, which is very unique for the machine. So the customer can get a fully functional AC system once the machine is being operated by this machine. Plus, it can detect the exact point of leak, implying the UV leak detection systems. You can see the bottle here that is showing the UV dye chamber. So you directly keep the UV gases there, UV liquid there, and then once you're testing it, you can pinpoint the exact point of the leak. So this machine will help you to analyze the leak functions, the pinpoint of leaking point, plus it can speed up your recovery functions and charging function. In sum total, this machine is the wisest choice.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,